In this video, we'll show you how to use the High-Speed Pro feature on your Celerity high-speed oven. With more precision than a conventional oven, High-Speed Pro mode lets you independently control the back, top, and bottom heating elements, as well as microwave power. Combining traditional convection cooking and microwave with inverter technology, this mode delivers the best of both worlds, allowing you to cook your favorite recipes. When using the High-Speed Pro mode, it's recommended to use similar Smart Cook menu items as a guide for setting cook time and heating elements. For example, to cook a chicken casserole with a rice base, see baked ziti or lasagna in Convection Smart Cook. Adjust the power levels to match your cooking needs, delivering the ideal balance of crisping, speed, and precision. If you prefer full control, you can manually adjust with High-Speed Pro mode. To access, select Manual Cook, then High-Speed Pro. If you prefer your foods, such as lasagna crispy on the top, start from using the preset as a guide and then increase the top heater for extra crisp. If you prefer your foods, such as pizza crispy on the bottom, start from using the pizza preset as a guide, and then increase the bottom heater for extra crisp. You can change the settings to fit your cooking preferences and cook your favorite recipes with ease. You're now ready to fine-tune your cooking creations with High-Speed Pro mode on your Celerity high-speed oven.